Well, welcome to Hopkins' Dirty South Homestead. It's a beautiful day today. Beautiful day. Oh, I got some green in here. Yes, I do. This is my mom's wash pan. It might have been somebody else's before it was hers, but it keeps growing these. They hang down like vines. I don't know what they called. My mom would find something, put it in a pot, and it was all good. But look here. See my scary tree? Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Yes. This is what makes the ugly tree beautiful. And it's also beautiful in the, when the full moon's behind it. It really looks scary. But now it's so beautiful. There we go. See, it's so pretty. That kind of looks like Spanish moss. What is that right there? Right there. You see it? Right there. And it goes up. Are you gonna have Spanish moss in you? Oh my mercy, that would be so incredible. So incredible. You would be a sacred tree. If you throw me out some of that Savannah, Georgia Spanish moss, I mean, I don't know why. They got it, and the Cajuns got it. We're right here in Mississippi. It ain't that far. Ooh, that looks creepy. Got his arms reaching up for you. And we're not going to discuss my magnolia tree. No, but anyway, what we doing, Justice? Laying around in the sun, sunbathing. You see my big pit right there? Debo keeping guard on the road. Yes, he is. Here comes Mama. Now, here comes the Django and Mango. Here comes Red. They fight, but they don't hurt each other no more. Everybody knows the Django's the man. The Django is the man. Yep. Want to turn some of these babies out? Huh? Do you? Huh? Do you?